Hi, my name is Aaron Kraft,
My name's Samantha Yee.
and we made the recipe finder for 280. So basically, our application takes meals from a recipe API and loads it. So here we're showing that our default route is to the login page. We're going to show a little bit of functionality. So here I'm going to show we have a register and a login. This is my already registered account. So if you try to register with it, it won't let you register. It'll pop up this alert, and then, yeah. So next we're going to show you how you have to do register. So this would be a valid registration. This is a new user. I haven't logged in or registered this at all before. So a correct, proper login or register would do this. And then with those same credentials, now that they are registered, you can then use those also to log in, which delivers that alert. And then once you hit that, that'll take you to the home page.
So in our home page, we have 24 random recipes showing, and the way we did this was by using an API called the MealDB, and within that there were multiple links to different ways of pulling random recipes, single recipes, other related ones. So when you click on a recipe, there's an embedded link that will take you to the recipe page.
So yeah, in the recipe page, it shows an image of the recipe you clicked on, as well as the name. It also has the ingredients that you'll need to cook the recipe, and then immediately under that, also the instructions on how to do that. Um, right under those instructions, we also have a button called Saved Recipe or Save Recipe. As the name implies, clicking it will save the recipe to the user's saved recipes list, which we have in a database. Yeah, so then at the bottom of that page, and at all of our pages, we have a navigation bar. This is the home button. Clicking it will take you back to the home page and it will generate 24 new random recipes. In here, you can also, like before, click on any of those recipes. And when you do so, you can go to another recipe card page and you can do the same things that you would before. Uh, so you can save just like you would any other. And if you wanted to go back to that list, you would hit the back arrow button on the browser, which would take you back to the home page with the same 24 recipes you had before. Uh, so that's if you don't want those to be randomized, you would click the back arrow instead of the home page button. Once you feel that you have plenty of recipes that you have saved and you want to view your recipes, you would go down to the navigation bar and to the bottom right side, we have a saved button. Clicking on that button will take us to the saved page.
So in the saved page, each user has their own unique list of saved recipes, and those lists are saved in a database. And although there's not a way to remove recipes yet, that is a future implementation.
We also have an exit button here, which once clicked will take us out to the log out page, which is the same as the login page. It's just about how we route it. In here, you can log in from a different user or anything like that. So here, I'm going to show you to kind of prove that each user has their own saved lists. Here is my already registered account with already saved recipes on it. I'll go ahead and log in. And then in here, like before, the home page is going to generate its random recipes. And then once we go to the saved recipes page, you'll see that these saved recipes are not like the previous saved recipes from that other user. These are my own that I've been saving throughout time. So yeah. Also in the saved recipes page, if you click on any of these cards, it'll take you to the recipe page where it shows the details and things like that.
So although the search bar is not implemented yet, the basic idea is that the search query is based on a keyword that the user inputs, and then the results should be general meals based on that keyword. And each recipe card would link to its recipes, and going back from the recipe card should show the same results from the search engine.
So back to a little bit more of the login functionality because I kind of forgot to show you guys a little bit earlier. I just wanted to show you some authentication stuff for the login. So if you try to log in, this is my existing account. I'm trying to log in with an incorrect password. If I attempt to do that, it will display that and show that it's incorrect. Yeah, so that's our recipe finder application. We hope that it's going to be a good use for anybody who's trying to learn to cook or to cook better.